Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make cupcake with my Cameron, my daughter. We have butter, flour and baking powder, milk, vanilla extract, sugar, egg, salt, and we have some chocolate chips here we put on top. Let's begin. Okay, now I'll add the sugar to the butter. Come on. And we'll mix it. And I will add the egg. Baking powder and the flour and a pinch of salt. Yeah. And I'll mix it. Okay? I'll add the vanilla extract. Now I'm adding the milk. I'll add half. Now Cameron is adding the chocolate chips like this. Okay, add. How is enough? Now straight to the oven. I preheat the oven. I'm using gas cooker, so it's on number 4. Yes, I'll see you soon when it's done. My cupcake is done now, and it's very fluffy, light, and crunchy at the top here. Camera will like it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Bye bye. Yum.